Argentina, here Lionel Messi roar. Brazil with Vinicius Junior wanting more.